is blepharoplasty or eyelid surgery? Why is it performed? Who is the ideal candidate for this kind of surgery, and what is the recovery time? Hello friends, I am Dr. Hina Kudyar, consultant cosmetic and plastic surgeon, director and co-founder of the Escalpia Clinic at GK1, New Delhi. Now, what is eyelid surgery or blepharoplasty? This is basically a surgery of the eyelids, and it is performed to get rid of the loose hanging upper eyelid skin, the droopy eyebrows, and also the under eye bags which are formed with the aging process. So what happens is, as we age, the structures and the muscles around our eyelids, they weaken, and the skin under the skin of the lower eyelid, it thins down. With the weakening of the structures around the eyelids, there is herniation of the fat, which is visible as the under eye bags, and also sometimes it is visible in the upper eyelid also. And also with aging, the skin of the skin below the lower eyelid, it thins down, and the underlying veins and the vessels, they become more prominent, leading to the formation of dark circles. So this kind of surgery, the blepharoplasty or eyelid surgery, it takes care of all these problems, and it gives a youthful appearance to the tired and the unpleasing look which occurs with the aging process. Now, what are the indications for this kind of surgery? First of all, this surgery is performed in patients who have loose hanging skin of the upper eyelid. This skin looks unpleasing, and it also gives a puffy appearance to the eyes, and so this can be taken care of by the eyelid surgery. Also, sometimes the loose hanging skin of the upper eyelid, it impairs the vision, which becomes a very important indication for blepharoplasty. Plus, when there is excess skin in the lower eyelid, it is also an important indication for blepharoplasty, and there is formation of the eye bags in the lower eyelid, that also can be taken care of by the eyelid surgery. Now, who is the ideal candidate for blepharoplasty or eyelid surgery? So, as I have already mentioned, the indications for which we do this surgery, plus the individual should be in his good state of health, and with the minimum or no underlying medical conditions, and also he should not have any underlying eye disorders. So a detailed consultation with a specialist or a plastic surgeon is mandatory before a person undergoes this surgery, because whenever a patient comes to us for eyelid surgery or blepharoplasty, we have to examine him in detail, including his physical examination, the eye examination, which is very important, because we have to rule out if he has any underlying eye disorder, which is a contraindication for such kind of surgeries. So pre-operative analysis is very important before undergoing eyelid surgery or blepharoplasty. So now, if we have to go only for surgery of the upper eyelids, it can be done under local anesthesia, and it takes around 1.5 to 2 hours for the procedure. But if we have to cater to all the 4 lids, then the procedure can be done under local anesthesia or general anesthesia, depending upon the convenience of the patient. Now, what is the recovery time of this surgery? After surgery, one can expect some swelling and bruising around the eyes. Plus, there can be some blurring of vision due to the ointments which we use. All these things, they subside usually in 7 to 10 days. Now, coming to the post-procedure care, we advise the patients for using the ice packs for a day or 2. Then some ointments and eye drops are given to be used. Then the person has to avoid strenuous activity or any physical activity for approximately 1 week. He should not smoke for at least 1 week, and if a person is using the contacts, then he has to avoid the contacts for approximately 2 weeks. Then cold compresses can sometimes help to get rid of the swelling and bruising, and the person should follow the instructions which are given by his or her plastic surgeon, because there are some medications which they have to avoid during the recovery time, which can increase the bleeding time in such patients. So to conclude with, I would like to stress upon the fact that the eyelid surgery or blepharoplasty is a very delicate surgery which gives you good results. It rejuvenates your eyes, increases your confidence, and also takes care of all the problems which I have already mentioned and which occur with the aging process. But to get the best and the natural looking results, you should share your concerns with your plastic surgeon and discuss in detail about the procedure, the recovery time and the post-procedure care in detail with him or her. I hope you must have found this video useful, and I must have been able to solve your queries regarding the eyelid surgery or blepharoplasty. But still, if you have any doubts, you can write to us, you can email to us, and you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for notifications. You can also follow our Instagram handle by the name of the Escalpier. Thank you.